Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot in Lenovo laptop. So let's begin our video. So first of all, what you need to do, you just need to go on your search bar and type SNIPPING and then select this app and select this icon, and you just need to take the area where you actually want to take the screenshot. Right now select this option and select the location where you actually want to save this screenshot. Right now second option is again go on this search bar and you just need to type paint and you can find this app. Just open it. Right now minimize it. Right now you just need to press print sc key from your keyboard. Print sc key, just press it where you actually want to take the snapshot. Right now open this app and select paste. Here you can see the screenshot already pasted on here. Right now you just need to select file, select save as, and where you actually want to save this screenshot, you just need to select it and save it. So in this two way you can very easily take a screenshot in Lenovo laptop. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.